Another big story tonight, the second of 3 winter storms moving into San Diego brought rain, snow, and as you saw, some very strong winds to parts of the county, and we're not done yet. A third storm will hit by the end of the week, and this is a live look from our Sharp Mary Birch Hospital camera in Kearney Mesa, overlooking the 163, where roads were slick throughout the day. The weather impacting communities all across the county today, from snow in Mount Laguna and other parts of East County to high winds in the North County and South Bay, causing damage. And this isn't just what it looked like, that's what it sounded like in Vista just hours ago. A Fox 5 viewer just sent us this video with hail and lightning in the area. And take a look at this. Strong winds knocked down the sign outside this 24-hour fitness in Kearney Mesa. We have team coverage on all these conditions and what we can expect over the next few days. Fox 5's Jeff McAdams starts us off live from Alpine with a look at conditions there. Jeff.
Hi, Kathleen. Well, the city of Alpine averages 0 inches of snow a year. In other words, it doesn't happen very often, but it very well could happen overnight, with temperatures now creeping towards freezing.
Just after sundown, fast winds lead to rain in Alpine.
It's too cold. It's too windy. It blows everything down on my patio.
Sherry Rivas and her granddaughter hoping to grab dinner and make it home before it got worse.
No. This is the coldest winter I've seen it in like only 4 years. So it's hailing. Oh my God.
30 minutes from downtown San Diego, Alpine sits at about 1,800 feet in elevation. Seeing substantial snowfall that low in this part of the county, that'd be a rare thing.
Well, it's cold enough. Yeah. I don't know if it's rain. The precipitation.
Bob here knows a thing or two about driving in the snow, as his license plate might suggest.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. But not on city tires. I don't have chains. So that's why I'm asking a lot of people, is it okay to go?
All right, well, people here in California, snow is rare to see. So if you find yourself in a tough situation, maybe out in the middle of nowhere, your car's stuck in the snow and you don't have sand to put underneath your tire, or somebody to help you out, here's a trick I learned from my days growing up in Colorado. Take the floor mats out from inside your car, and if push comes to shove, just place them right underneath the tire of your car if it's a front-wheel drive car. Keep in mind if it's in the back, your power's in the back tires, but place them underneath the tires, give you a little traction. Also, if your car battery dies and you're out in the middle of nowhere, nobody to help you out, hey, use that Uber app. Have somebody come swing by, and you don't need a ride from them, but tell them to pop the hood of their car when they pull up and use the jumper cables. Tip them 10, 20 bucks for their trouble. Anyway, just a couple life hacks, life tips. Hopefully you don't need them, but keep it in mind if you're out there in the snow and you're having some issues. Kathleen?
Well, certainly we don't have a whole grab bag of cold weather tips here in San Diego, so we'll take what you have, Jeff. Thank you so much.